Welcome guys, so today I am with JBL Charge 4 and Android phone, and I'm going to show you how you can enable the pairing mode on this device. So as you can see, my speaker is turned on, and to enable the pairing mode you have to click once on this Bluetooth button. When you make it, this Bluetooth button will be blinks like that. The speaker will make sound, and it means that right now the speaker is visible to other devices. So as you can see, it's still not available on the list. So what you have to do, you can simply refresh the list or just power off and power on Bluetooth on your device. And after that you have to take a look right here. After a few seconds it will be appears, and as you can see, there it is. So right now if you want to connect, just tap once, and after a few seconds we will be connected with our Android phone and with our speaker. So we have to basically accept the pairing request, and there it is. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.